4 Zimbabwe National Army soldiers were killed and 3 others injured when a military vehicle crashed along the Harare-Mutare road, adding another fatal entry to a grim run of road accidents recorded across Zimbabwe in July and August. 4 Zimbabwe National Army soldiers killed, 3 others injured are along Harare-Mutare road. Not subscribe or like on the bell. The soldiers were traveling from Harare to Mutare in a BAW military vehicle when it was involved in the crash at the 45-kilometer peak along the Harare-Mutare road. The 4 died at the scene, according to a death notice issued by the ZNA Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation. Reported that the accident occurred in Brumley near Marondera and that it happened on Friday, 7 August. The dead were identified as Warrant Officer Class 1 Philemon Chamisa, Warrant Officer Class 2 Chindowa Lydia, Sergeant Modicho Wellington Wanda, and Lance Corporal Mutemi Edmo. 3 other members of the army were injured. 2 were admitted to Marondera District Hospital, while the third was taken to 2 referral hospital at Joseph Magama Togogara Barracks, formerly known as KG6 in Harare. ZVAITWA said the injured soldiers were receiving treatment and were in stable condition. The circumstances of the crash had not been established publicly by the time of publication. Investigations by the Zimbabwe Republic Police in Marondera were underway, and the ZNA said burial arrangements would be announced later. The deaths came just as the government was stepping up its road safety campaign before the Heroes and the Defense Forces holiday, a period when large numbers of people travel between Zimbabwe's cities, towns, and the rural areas. In a report published on 7 August, ZBC said authorities were targeting reckless driving, unroadworthy vehicles, and other violations as holiday traffic increased. Transport and Infrastructure Development Minister Felix Monda said the country's daily road death toll had risen to between 7 and 8 fatalities, compared with the 5-a-day figure previously used to describe the scale of the crisis. Noma developments are Pangwene. Pina comment section medals of good animal to devour which it quench. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.